Welcome to The State of the Laundry Industry with Laundry Matt, Episode 34, the Coin Laundry Association's Wash, Dry, Fold Conference. The Coin Laundry Association is having a wash and fold workshop on November 16th and 17th, and I'm honored to be a speaker at the keynote session, The Future of Wash and Fold. So wash and fold is becoming more and more the norm. I mean, most laundromats are self-serve only, but more and more of the new laundromats that are opening with wash and fold right out of the gates. And why is that happening? Number one is because of money. So it used to be, in order to make the numbers work, they would just say, oh, you got to do more turns per day. Because of the rising cost of different things, to make the numbers work, in many cases, you have to do a wash and fold. And you have to do it successfully. And we've got a great track record of helping out our clients, both in wash and fold and pickup and delivery. And we even have some of the biggest distributors across the country telling their clients, if you do pickup and delivery, you got to use curbside. So that's one reason to go with experience. We're not just selling software. We've got a laundromat, very successful. We've helped hundreds of laundromats make hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. On top of the financial reasons why a lot of new owners are doing wash and fold and pick up and delivery right out of the gates, there's something else happening at the same time, which is consumer demand. More consumers are freeing up their time, or they're paying money to free up their time. They're outsourcing their chores, and laundry is one of the things that people are outsourcing. I mean, in 2010, we had to spend a lot of money at our family laundromat to do awareness campaigns. Now people already know what pickup and delivery is, and you don't have to spend as much money letting people know that pickup and delivery is a thing. You could just work on your website, your web presence, online advertising, that type of thing, to get people to your website. But you no longer have to grow the market. The market is there. Now there's more consumer demand for pickup and delivery and wash and fold than ever before. You've got new folks who are doing it right out of the gates. You got old folks who've been doing it for a long time. But there's one thing everybody has in common. You've got to always step up your game. You cannot rest on your laurels. I mean, just last month, I helped a client who's been doing it for a long time, and they said, my growth has slowed. And it turned out their web presence really just became lackluster. It was competitive at the time, but there's new trends, new things you got to do. So I helped them out with those things, and they went from gaining one new customer every 2 days to gaining one new customer every single day. So they're just ecstatic. So they're back on track. But bottom line is, the best way of learning more, of doing a better job, is networking with other like-minded owners who want to stay at top of their game. And there's going to be top-notch operators at the Wash and Fold conference. So a lot of people I've got tremendous respect for, sharing strategies, marketing strategies, advertising, folding techniques, talking about pickup and delivery, route creation, and more. And you're going to get speakers speaking officially about all these things. But I think the most valuable thing is just getting everybody together, because there's no replacement for that. For those conversations that you have, you get out what you put in. You get together with other like-minded owners, and you're going to get out a lot more than you ever would during like a Zoom meeting. So I'm really excited. I think it's great that everybody's getting together, and I hope you can make it. The link for the Wash and Fold conference will be in the show notes. Also, if you'd like to learn more about the Curbside Laundry's point of sale and pickup and delivery solution, go to curbsidelaundries.com, and don't forget to click like or subscribe so you can keep up to date with the latest happenings. See you next time.